I love how some Bible verses give clear guidance, like Micah 6:8. Students often ask me which school they should go to. Micah 6:8 says, "Do justice, love mercy, and walk humbly with your God." This means God's will is about how you act every day. So, pick a school where you can live by these values. If you can do that at any school, then any school is a good choice. God's main will for your life is about who you become, not the specific choices you make. It's not about which job you take, where you live, or who you marry. It's about becoming like Jesus. Your goal should be to develop good character and judgment. God's plan is flexible, like a game plan, not a strict set of steps. Life isn't about finding the perfect path. It's about living faithfully and showing God's love and mercy. This journey with God is more about relationships than specific directions. Like a parent who cares more about how their kids treat each other than what game they play. God cares more about how we live and relate to Him and others. Finding God's will isn't about mystical signs or clear instructions. It's about trust and faith. God's will often unfolds one step at a time, like walking with a flashlight at night. You only see the next step. This requires faith, like Abraham, who followed God without knowing the destination. Trust that God knows what you don't and will guide you step by step. We often want clear, complete guidance from God, like a floodlight showing everything. But God usually gives just enough light for the next step. Sometimes we expect a clear formula or a specific feeling to know God's will, but it often requires faith and trust. The Bible assures us that God will guide us Psalm 32:8, Psalm 48:14, and we are saved by His grace, not our perfect decisions. No decision can mess up God's plan beyond repair. Where we fall short, God's love and grace are greater. If you're stuck, remember God can guide you as you move. He might not give you a clear sign for every choice, but He does call you to do justice, love mercy, and walk humbly. That's His will for you today. You don't need to see the whole journey. Just take the next step in faith, trusting God's plan for you.